Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. Okay, tell me, did you do your research work? What we did yesterday? Okay, no problem. We'll recall yesterday's topic. After that, we'll discuss today on a new topic, which is fraction. Alright, so let's discuss one by one, and you can ask me doubts if you have any. Alright, so yesterday we discussed natural numbers, integers, whole numbers. Okay, so who will tell me what are whole numbers? Okay, yes, the numbers which starts from 0 are called whole numbers. Yes, that's really great. Okay, now who will tell me what are integers? Okay, yes, the combination of negative numbers 0 and the positive numbers are called integers. That's very great that you have done your homework. That's great. Okay, let's discuss one very interesting topic, which is fraction. Okay, everybody please look on the board. Fraction. I hope you have already heard this word fraction. Alright, so today we need to understand what is fraction. Why do we need this fraction? What are the classification, the types of the fraction, right? So if all these questions will arise in our mind, then only we can answer it, and then only we can solve it, right? We are keen to solve it. We are keen to understand all the things. So let's understand the definition one by one, right? So basically, what is fraction? What is fraction? Fraction is nothing, it's just a part, or you can say a portion of a whole. When we represent any portion from a whole quantity, it is called a fraction. It is or in other words, you can say it is represented as a fraction, right? So just look at this. I hope you all like pizza. Yes. Okay, let's understand with the help of an example. All right, I'm taking one pizza here. I hope you all are excited to listen about pizza. Yes or no? Okay, that's great. So here I am making 4 parts of this pizza of your favorite, toppings. All right. So you all are 4 friends, and now you have one slice. So just look at this. Here I'm just making 2 big cuts so that it becomes 1, 2, 3, and 4 portion of the pizza, or you can say slices of the pizza. So here, what are the quantity of the pizza? It is a one big pizza, right? So here I made 4 portions. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to understand this, why do we need the fraction? Here the answer is to make the subsections, to make the further portions, we need the fraction. How? Now it is 1/4 of the pizza, this is 2/4 of the pizza, this is 3/4 of the pizza, and this is 4/4, means 1, the whole quantity, right? So here, see, okay, let's suppose you have eaten this one slice of the pizza. So now how many slices are left? 1, 2, and 3. So you're left with 3/4 of the pizza. Suppose your friend. Okay, let's understand the fraction with the help of one more diagram, right? So I am taking one square, and here I am making some portions over here, right? Suppose I have shaded 1, 2, 3 portion of this diagram. So you need to tell me what fraction should be represent to this diagram. If I talk about the shaded portion only, so here let me just count the full portions. How many total portions are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 as denominator. And how many shaded portions are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 shaded portions. So this fraction will be represent as 3 upon 6. Here 3 is as numerator and 6 is as denominator. So the total quantity should be here only. The total quantity should be represent as denominator only, and here this is a favorable quantity which you have chosen, right? All right. Okay, let's understand the types. For let me just tell you the basic definition of these 3 types with their titles. All right. So first one is proper fraction, second one is improper fraction, and third one is mixed fraction. So basically, what is proper fraction? Proper fraction, the fraction is represented as numerator upon denominator. So here in the proper fraction, when numerator is less than denominator, here when numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. For example, let me make you understand with the help of example. For example, 1 upon 3, next is 2 upon 5, next is 7 upon 10. So all these three fractions are, there is one similarity. All these three fractions, if I talk about numerator, these all are smallest than the denominator, right? And in the improper fraction, there is vice versa case. Here numerator should be greater than denominator. Then only we can call it improper fraction, right? So here, let me take an example. All right, so here it is 10 upon 3. Next is 5 upon 2. Next you can consider it is 11 upon 7. So all these three fraction is having one similarity, which is denominator is smallest than numerator. Here numerator is bigger than denominator, right? So last is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is nothing. It is just a derivation from improper fraction only. Let me just tell you the format. How can we write it as? It is can be written as 3 1 upon 5, 10 3 upon 2, right? So here the general form is quotient remainder upon divisor, right? So in the further exercise, I will explain you how we convert mixed fraction from the improper one, right? I hope this is a basic lecture to make you understand what is fraction, why do we need it, how we represent the fraction, how we classify the types of the fraction. Let me just give you one activity regarding fraction so that you can do practice at your home, right? So I'm just giving you three fraction. You just have to take three diagrams and just shade according to the given fraction, right? So just look it on the board. Represent given fractions in diagrams. First is 3 upon 5, second is 2 upon 4, and third is 4 upon 7. I hope you have understood this and liked it. Thank you. See you in next lecture.